Very welcome and swagatam to the video research journal of all at one, ffbmd, and a lecture series on research methodology is going on this channel with the collaboration of Banauli International University, proposed and International Movie Research Center, and also it is financed by Vaikunt Vaibhav Ashram of Banauli Dham. And in the previous lecture we have talked about the actual research work. So let's continue this. Extreme care must be taken in typesetting mathematical equations, variables and parameters involved in the study. Italic or Greek letters or mathematical symbols can be used for variables and parameters. For example, a small x or cap x should not be used as a variable name. The correct usage is a small x or cap x or typeset in italics. All the equations should be centered and numbered. Vectors should be clearly specified by an arrow over the name or by boldface name. Equations should not be repeated. Jokes or puns should not find a place in the report. Use correct or incorrect to refer to the results of others. Don't use the words bad, terrible and stupid. Avoid use of modern times, soon, seems in terms of today, based on, type of, lots of, something like, just about, numbers of, obviously, probably, along with, you, I, hopefully and may. There is no need to mention the circumstances in which the results are obtained. An error often made is wasting variable times for the physical establishment of the document beyond a point, without paying careful attention to the correctness and accuracy of the content. Even a couple of typos can give the impression that you have failed to pay adequate attention in detail. Errors in the spelling or technical or general words show in the poor light an otherwise worthy thesis that tells a vital story. Now I am going to talk about the conclusion. So at the end of each chapter, one can place a brief summary of the outcomes of the work presented in that chapter under the heading Conclusion. They should be clear and precise. The relevant questions which are still not answered and new question raised by the work of present chapter have to be mentioned. Whether the answers to the questions are obtained or not. If obtained, in which chapters they are presented should be specified. Mention possible future research it is important to make a connection between two consecutive chapters, either at the end of the first or at the beginning of the second. Chapters should not look like reports of isolated work. There should be a link between consecutive chapters, and the link should be clearly brought out. Now the end matters. The end parts of the reports generally consist of appendices, references, computer programs. If they are not easy to develop, and copies of research publications that came out from the research work done. So with this, I would like to end this topic here, and in the next topic we will talk about appendices and references.